Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm back. Let's see, trying to get everything set up. Trying to get everything set up. Let's see. Got 5 minutes before the market open. Trying to get things set up. Let's see. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Hope you're having a good morning. Hope you had a great New Year's Day. I'm trying to get everything set up and ready to rock and roll. That's what I'm doing right now. Trying to get everything set up. We got what 4 minutes before this market open. I'm just trying to get everything set up so we'll be ready to rock and roll. That's all I'm trying to do right now is get things set up. So let me move up a little bit. Thank y'all for joining me. I'm your host, the Stock Sniper. I hope y'all had a great New Year's Day yesterday. So now it's time to rock and roll. We got 3 minutes before the market open. Get everything ready to rock and roll right now. Let's see. Got 2 minutes left. Got 2 minutes left. For some reason I can't. Trying to. Bro. I guess I just have to work with it like this for right now. I'll try again in a little bit. We got about a minute left before this market open. I can't be concerned about that right now. I gotta get everything ready to rock and roll as far as what's about to happen in another minute and 30 seconds. The market is all green as of right now. January 2nd, a new year. It's time to rock and roll. Yeah, it's time to rock and roll. Let me try this again. Wait, let me try something else. Go there and come back and then try to reload. Try to reload it. Uh, Boom. Boom. Okay, there we go. Still won't let me do what I need to do. We got 43 seconds left before the market open. It still won't let me do what I need to do, which sucks. It still won't let me do what I need to do. $20 seconds left. Can't worry about that right now. 20 seconds left before the market opens. One, and here we go. Five, 88, 46. Where I'm not even on the right thing, tripping. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. All right. 20% on that trade. I took the whole ride. Jumped in at 136.41 and rolled it all the way up. I got out though. 19% on that trade. The first 2 minutes of the day. Just like that. Up to resistance line right now. Now I can take it off that. I can take it off this and figure out what's going on, what I need to figure out. So I got my one trade out of the way. I took this red candle all the way up to that resistance line for 19%. Just like that, that quick. Everything is green. Everything is green to start off this morning. Everything is green. Except Tesla. Now I gotta try to move over here. Appreciate y'all for joining me. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. I am trying to figure something out over here while I'm live streaming, but for some reason I can't get this together over here. So I guess I'm gonna just have to just let it do what it do. Let me see. Dang, bro. Wait, I got a better idea. As I drink my water. Y'all thank y'all for joining me. Thank y'all for joining me. Everything is green except Tesla. Now Walmart has turned red. Now I got to turn on my other side over here. I got a whole nother side over here that y'all can't see. But I got a whole nother side over here, and I gotta cut this on. I gotta cut it on. Ooh, bounce off the 9 EMA. Great bounce off that 9 EMA. Great bounce off the 9 EMA. I'm going to move this resistance line right, just a little touch right there. Right there. I got to set up this other side over here. I should have already had this set up. Whoa, big upper shadow. Uh, Appreciate y'all for joining me. I'm your host, the Stock Sniper. I'm your host on this great, beautiful day. January 2nd, 2025 is here. Hope you out trying to make it. I'm hitting the ground running this morning. Early 2025, I'm hitting the ground running. Let's see. We just got to take it day by day. Just got to take it day by day. Let's see. No, wrong button. I'm trying to get things set up over here. Let's see. I already had it together. Let me go over here. We bounce off the support line. Can we get back above the 9 EMA? Can we get back above that 9 EMA? 6 minutes in on the market being open. One trade so far, 19%. 19% on that trade for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes to pull that trade off. And no, I would usually say in 2024, I was saying my day is over, but no, it's not. My day has just begun. Yeah. My day has just begun. Okay, let me go over here. Go over here. Come on, hurry up. Can we break that support? Okay. Now I'm where I need to be. Right. There we go. Boom. I should have did that already. Okay, now that's done. Let me get over here. Let me get over here. Mm. All right. I got everything ready to rock and roll now. It took me a little minute to figure out what I was trying to figure out, but it's a done deal. Okay.
and you guys can continuously keep that play on watch. Obviously, any big dips, you can look to get involved on ISRG back on down towards like the 50-day moving average and such. And I'm just going to throw this out here right now just so everyone is fully aware of it. If you guys ever want the best dip buys possible, always go into the largest time frames you can. Okay? Largest time frame you can on my charting gear, that's going to be on the monthly chart. And you guys will realize that the
134.94. Okay, let me see. Let me get on this 30-minute. Now I can pay attention to what I'm doing. I got my one trade out of the way. So now I can figure out what's next. Okay, the next support line is 134.03. 136.84 is resistance. Bottom support is 134 even. As you can see, that exit at 137.50 exit was the perfect exit. Perfect exit this morning for 19%. I jumped in at this resistance break and rolled it all the way up to 137.50 this morning for that 19% to the upside. Perfect entry, perfect exit. To start off the new year, January 2nd, 2025. All right. See if there are any comments. No, there is not. All right. 7 people in the building. Appreciate you for joining me. You could be doing anything else, but you decide to spend your early morning with the Stock Sniper. It's 8:41 in the morning where I'm at right here. And we just watching this market, reacting to this market, what the stock market gonna do today. We're watching the SPY right now. We got 6 likes. Everybody done hit that like button. I appreciate you. Thank you for hitting that like button. We put it back on Nvda. Whoa, another dump by Nvda. 134.65. The next support line, I'm going to erase this. The next support line is 134. 134 even. That's what we're going to call it. The next support line is 134. Will they pull it back to 134? Let's see what Apple is up to. Apple red, Google is red. Let's see. $134.65. $134.65. Woo! I'm gonna leave that line right there. I'm gonna take this line and move it right there, 134.60. 134.60. And I'm gonna take this line and move it right there. 134, 136.50. That's resistance. No need to pay attention to these other lines. Just this line for right now. At this moment, we only need to pay attention to two lines. This support line and this resistance line. That's it. All these other lines are like past resistance, past support, and past resistance. So the main two lines right now is this one and that one. That's it. It's the only two lines we need to be focusing on. As we move up over the 20 EMA, the 9 is at the bottom, the 13 is in the middle, and the 20 is right here on top of these three. Then we got the VWAP right there. We are still up under the VWAP. All right, we are over the 20. We are over the 20. The magnet to the VWAP is 130, is 136 even. It's not really that far. And if you've been watching, you know that once we get above these three EMAs, clearly above, that VWAP is like a magnet to these EMAs. We are not clearly over the 20 EMA at this moment. At this moment, we are not clearly over the 20 EMA. Put that right there. See what old Dick talking about.
AMD is for Xbox. AMD is from PlayStation. AMD is the video game runner. Like, the thing is, at this moment, AMD has credibility. Has credibility on use case, has credibility on its revenues, has credibility on its CEO, and has credibility on its chart. Has everything it needs for that credibility. And that's what I like. I'll be honest with you. I don't strictly just look at the
All right, we're above the 20. Let's see.
Think more about it to myself as what's the reason? Where's my use case? That's what I hate investing in things that I feel like are nothing but gazing fugazi. It's nothing but therapists, right? I don't like that. But I like trying to mix it all together.
It is like a magnet to that VWAP.
Is a good entry, and is it a good entry, and is it a good company? Right? That's what we want to be looking at. So I like to
see on this one. It didn't really have that far to go because the VWAP is just like right there. Easy call on that play.
Now, what else do we want to be looking at here? traders. I like AMD a lot. We're going to be talking about AMD a lot. Let's keep going through this here a little bit and go to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity. So we're just talking about this right here. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Cybersecurity, guys, is I think also a sleeping giant. Now, what I mean by sleeping giant is basically at this moment that the giant hasn't woken up. The giant is. You are aware that there is a giant in this cave. And you can hear him snoring, and maybe again you throw a couple pebbles at him just to irritate him a little bit.
Here we go. Oh, there you go.
A little bit. We can see the giant's power. We can see that we don't want to wake this guy up. But if this guy wakes up and comes out of that,
there go that magnet up to that VY.
We are running for our life.
Perfect call.
But again, be some of these sleeping giants that have already. We know they're there. We can hear them moan. We can hear how strong they are. But they still don't think have exploded yet. We know again, PANW. This is definitely one that we want to be aware of, right?
Great recovery by Nvda to the resistance line.
Why cybersecurity would ever drop? Why cybersecurity would ever fade? Why cybersecurity would ever again start getting weaker? Same exact thing. You go and take a look over on CRW.
Easy call.
So we do have again a CRW.
Easy call on Nvda.
Excuse me. And then we also
easy
have PANW. Traders. Okay, let's break it down as easy as possible. When every single security
easy call on Nvda.
If I'm wrong, put me in my place. But with every single and saying that 99% of the world, 99% of business, 99% of entrepreneurship, and how people are actually able to, and the Fortune 500 companies are on the internet nowadays. Yes, guys, everything is on the internet. Don't you think? If you are a company making billions of dollars, or hundreds of millions of dollars, or millions of dollars, or if you are a self-employed person making
bounce off the VY,
or whatever, that you want to have cybersecurity, that you want to make sure that your funds aren't being stolen, and your information isn't being stolen, and people aren't again going into your back end and getting private information and this and that. As the world progresses, we are getting more technology. We are throwing things on the different clouds. We're going to put it on this cloud and put it on this web, and again lock it here and lock it here, and it's very tough. And as technology emerges, that means new threats are going to emerge. And as new threats emerge,
we're coming up to that.
Be a need for cybersecurity.
To that resistance line. Just watching.
As he talked about,
this is my reaction video to the stock market. What will the stock market do today?
This does get a little tough here now and then, doesn't it, guys? It does get a little tricky every now and then, because sometimes, and by a raise of hands, you sitting in your chair right now by yourself or with your family watching at this time, and saying to yourself, how many times have you seen applied that you wanted to wait for a dip buy, but it just kept going? How many times have you said, hey, I want to get involved on a dip buy opportunity, but it just keeps going up? And hey, I want to get involved on deck. I try to get involved on PANW, at 100. I wanted to wait until it came off to 100 and went up to 130. And I said, you know what? I'll wait until it comes back down to 125, and it spiked up to 190. And I said, you know what? I'll wait until it comes back down to 150, and it spiked up to 200.
Up to resistance. Break that resistance.
I will never say buy at the highs.
Looking for that good V shape. Y'all see it starting to form a V? Let me go on and call it out.
Sometimes plays start getting hot. When some plays start getting
do it like this.
They start gaining momentum and they start taking on off and they start ripping and running. So I do.
Which I should have made the V a little bit better, but hey.
PANW, we will have.
We get the point.
Parabolic like the video goes, but there will be pullbacks. But I don't think cybersecurity is going to be going anywhere. And when we take a look over on CRWD,
okay, the other side of the V.
So this is another great safe investment here. As you guys know at this time, or if you guys don't know, I have currently $75,000 that I have now not invested.
That V shape.
All right, this is what I'm
right in front of our face.
The public account is going to be the $75,000, and I am going to be investing it. I with you guys. This is not day trade $75,000. $75,000 is going to be what I'm looking to be able to get in throughout 2024. And we want to see at the end of 2024 how much money do we have in this account. This is not going to be high risk, high reward. This is going to be me going through books, going through revenue, going through earnings reports, me listening to conference calls, me doing my research, me doing everything. And then again, telling you guys exactly what's happening, telling you guys what I'm looking at. And I think that's a great way for us to be able to trade. Because I know a lot of you guys want to be able to make money. That's why 99% of you guys are here. The other 0.1% that says, hey, Deck, I like you and I want to listen in. All right.
We right here.
But I'll do the research.
And we need to make it back uphill, man. We need to make it back up to the high today to complete this V shape.
But again, that's what again 2025.
We need to break this
big account. I want to see what we have.
What is that? Let me move this out of the way so I can see. 137.70.
So again,
we got to get back over 137.70 to complete this V.
Absolutely. But the thing is, I also want to have a large
great perfect V shape.
Because I want
V shape pattern.
Like when I find talent here at the price of $30 when I jump in on it, I want to make sure.
See, do we have the volume?
With me as well. When I again am talking about Rocket Lab back in April and May and June, and again Rocket Lab goes crazy, I want you guys to know, hey, that's the one that we want to be on top of.
Yeah, we got the volume.
IO and Q over in the summer and saying, hey guys,
yeah, we got the volume to complete this V shape.
So again, in 2025, this little
we got the volume.
First year, we are going to be having our trades public in our large accounts. That is going to be monthly long holds or annual. There might be some plays that
we're looking for the break of the resistance for the next move on up to complete this V-shaped recovery. We're looking for the break of this.
This is going to be right here.
Red line right here, which is the resistance line. We have the volume to make this happen. I'm about to call out another play, bro. We got the volume to make this happen. Let's see what's going to happen to complete this V-shape pattern.
Doesn't matter. That's fine. Because the thing is, this is going to be a long-term account, so we're not going to be getting in and out very quickly. But I just want to show you guys where I'm starting at this moment, so everyone can say, all right, we got our starting point. We understand where Deck's at. He's at $75,000 and $12. If you guys want to get very specific here. So that's what we have at this time. That's definitely what we want to be focusing on. Now, next thing I want to do at this moment, traders, is I actually want to go through some of my top plays, some of my top picks at this moment, and show you guys exactly where I like a lot of these entries.
Let's see.
Mind if we do that? So I want to go through this together, kind of bring up where I like a lot of these plays, where I like a lot of these.
The pullback right now.
Going from there. So we can do this all together. All right, awesome. Let me bring over my scanners.
We are looking to complete this V-shaped pattern.
Man, I'm getting jacked up, baby. I'm so excited. As always, guys, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up if you guys haven't. Right now, we are live over on YouTube and live over on Master. We want you guys to be able to enjoy, have some fun, and be able to absolutely crush it day in and day out, which we absolutely love it. All right. So, what do we have at this moment here, ladies and gentlemen? What we have here is breaking this on down. I'm going to go over some of my top and favorite plays over in 2024, 2025. So what is going to be some of my top and favorite plays? Starting on off here, traders, I'm going to be going over to my Twitter because I posted a lot of these over on Twitter. The awesome chart is we have starting on off $65 is my.
I'm just watching, trying to see what this is going to do.
$20,000 be added at this price. Anything sub.
Trying to see if we're gonna get above
so let's take a look over on
that 137.70 area.
That at this price of $65 is my desired entry. Desired means
137.70. We are at 137.35 right now.
If I could ever get $65 on Nike, I think that would be absolutely tremendous in every single way. That you would have such a strong team. Now, what do you guys realize right now? Take a look at.
Starting to look kind of weak. We got two up, well now three upper shadows.
Consistently be building these higher lows. Now Nike has had some few issues. Nike definitely has had some trouble.
137.52.
About what Nike has at this time is they are
we got three upper shadows right now.
Who is going to be Elliott Hill here? Elliott Hill started as the CEO way back. Okay, Hill is a Nike insider. He started as an intern back in 1988, and guys, that's where Nike thrived.
We got three upper shadows.
Back in the late 80s, the 90s, and again, boomed right around 2000. The thing I love about Nike is Nike is probably the most recognizable logo out. When you see that Nike swoosh, you know again it's me. Now, I can think about when I was growing up. When I was growing up, I had Nike Hyper Dunks. Again, I would wear Nike shorts when I'm playing basketball, Nike shirts. The other thing is, I feel like Nike has lost a little bit of its touch. I'm being honest with you. I'm being frank with you. Nike, again, definitely has lost a little bit of its touch here. And one of the big things as well is Nike is in on a lot of different things, right? They have a lot of different sports. But one of the biggest ones has been basketball. And unfortunately, basketball viewership has been down very much. So the big thing that we want to be thinking about is Nike able to recover. Well, Nike
137.30. Whoa! There you go. Here come the break. The V-shape recovery. A lot of buying came in right then. Big buyers came in. Oh, here goes right there at the line, bro. Right at the resistance line. Big tail. Big upper shadow. Right at the resistance line. 137.70. 137.70. To complete the V-shape pattern. Can we break 137.70? We got enough volume. We got enough buyers coming in. Big upper shadow though, holding us back. Big upper shadow. If you don't know what an upper shadow is, it's a tail. That's the tail. But we got a lower shadow too, which is a lower tail, so it can go either way. It can go either way. 137.70. We need to break this tail though, this upper shadow tail, to make it do what it do. 137.50. We need more buyers. We need more buyers coming in to break that 137.70.
So let's go back over towards this here. Nike's already starting to drop. Nike's already starting to speak. You can see on a daily chart it has consistent
137.50. V-shape recovery. V-shape pattern at its finest. V-shape pattern. We looking for the break of the 137.70. We looking for that break. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. One touch. Two touch. Three touch. They trying to make it difficult.
A very safe, and again, a stock that has high reward with minimal risk. Minimal risk. And it's just because the puzzle is starting to
trying to break that 137.70.
They had a bad season.
Nvda.
They had again
January 2nd, 2025.
Right?
First day back. January 2nd, 2025. Looking to make moves. All the EMAs are in a rightful position. We're trying to complete this V shape, but it's getting difficult. Another touch. That's three touches and a rejection. Well, let's try it again. We're trying to complete this V shape, but it's getting very difficult to complete this V shape. Let me put another. Should I move a line? No. I'm going to just make another line. Right there. Right here.
Okay, Lynn, guys, this is what I'm saying is I think Lynn is I really do.
It looks like we got lower highs. Looks like we're going to break it. Looks like we're going to break that 137.70. Another touch. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. 4 touches. Here we go for another touch. Another rejection. Another try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5 touches. This could be it. This could be it for a new high today. Let's go. 137.88 high today. Try it. Come on, keep going. We already broke to complete the V-shaped recovery.
I was watching Joe the other day, and I forget what episode it is. So let me correct me.
137.
They were saying that
137.88. Come on now, let's go. Boom. There we go. V-shape complete. And steady on the move up. Next resistance line at 138.84. Just called out another play. 137.96 on the move. 137, 138, 131, 134, 134.06. Man, it took a while. It took a minute to break that V shape. It took a while to complete that V shape recovery, but it did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes to complete that V shape. It took 10 minutes. Once I seen these higher lows right here, I already knew it was a wrap. I already knew it. That's why I started putting in them lines, and I established higher lows right here on this uptrend line right here. Once I established that, I already knew we on the move up. We broke the resistance right here of the V shape, and now we moving all up. Next resistance is 138, 138.80 area. Now this is now the support line.
That's how it is. The odds are in their favor.
That's the support line now. Old resistance turns into new support once we break it. Once we break resistance, it now turns into support. Now it turns into the floor. As we steady head up with that V-shape pattern. Okay, now we got a big upper shadow. Let's see what's going to happen. 138.37. We are 30 minutes in, I think. Yes, we are 30 minutes in. It is 9 a.m. 9:07. We're 40 minutes in.
We have $75 here. This bottom area is actually $60. $60, $60, $60. The desired entry over on would be 60. But a more realistic area, I think.
Ready to rock and roll.
75. Because I do think we're going to start building some sort of higher lows. I do think we're going to start moving ourselves on up. And also, Win pays dividends. So again, Win right now is, I believe, on 0.25 dividend. You'll be able to get it up towards around.
See if we're going to hit this resistance, this support, and bounce on the move back on up past 138.37. 9:07 in the morning.
So I mean, guys, it's like a great thing right there, right off. All right, let's keep going down. Let's look at this one, guys. This is another play that I absolutely love. Next one is going to be BWXT. This is going to be leading the SMR lead. Imagine PLTR.
See what's going to happen.
This is where you want to desired entry is going to be 102 to 107. If we do $10,000, it's still because wait any major SMR products.
We're looking for the. Now we're looking for the next. The next channel. Okay, this is the bottom channel. I'm gonna move this because I want to keep making lines. There. That's the next. That's the next resistance line. We got support at 137.75, and we got resistance right around 138.35. Why did that?
power plant in Pennsylvania. That's why
138.40. According to that now.
back open and running.
Yeah.
And all these other companies are investing in
That's weird.
because they realize it's the only option. Imagine doing this, guys. Imagine being
But I guess
and buying
that we're inside the next channel.
Okay? And say, yes, we have all these chips. We have all of these chips that we can be able to make AI with. And say, all right, let's boot it on up. Let's plug that bad boy on in. And they say, well, we actually can't do that. They say, what do you mean? You just spent $2 billion. You just spent $20 billion on chips. What do you mean we can't use it? Well, again, like right now, like we don't actually have enough energy. Like we just, like our grid can't handle like what we want to do. So it's like, what? So we just spent again $20, $40 billion on these chips, and we can't actually use them to their full.
40 minutes in on this market.
Can't, like, program what we want because it's not really strong enough yet. So what do you think they're doing? Do you think again they're going to?
We're doing good so far. Everything is green except Tesla. Let's see what's going on with Tesla.
So
what happened? A big sell-off on Tesla. Well, that's right. That Tesla truck blew up in front of. Yeah, that's what happened yesterday as well. We had two attacks yesterday. The first attack was on Bourbon Street. The second attack was that Tesla truck that blew up in front of Donald Trump's hotel down there in Vegas, Trump Tower. So that's why in the market in Tesla, they reacted negatively to that issue. That's what happened on Tesla. Tesla's down 3.54%. That's what happened on Tesla. That's what I'm thinking. That's my opinion. There might be some type of news or something came out that I have not seen yet. I probably need to check it out, but that's what I'm thinking. What happened is because of that Tesla truck blowing up. They're trying to make sure, you know what I'm saying, that it wasn't because of the truck, the reason why it blew up. The Tesla Cybertruck.
He's like, you spend $10 billion making a nuclear power plant, or whatever the amount is, and
here we go. Good bounce play off that support line. That happened while I went over there to Tesla. We bounced off the support for the next move on up.
Could be a quicker option, could be whatever. But if we see that all these companies are buying AI, and these AI need some sort of superpower that they bring in.
But we see the VWAP slowly trying to go up like everybody else. See, once the 13 and 9 and the 20 starts going up, the next line I look at is that VWAP. The VWAP, even though I don't talk about it that much, but the VWAP is very, very, very important. This line right here. This bottom line that I'm pointing at. Very, very important.
Okay, so again, you can actually see right here, number 3, 320% gain. The one thing that I love so much about BWXT is the fact that just like Palantir, they have government contracts.
Well, 42 minutes in. Well, actually about 45 minutes because I started with 48 minutes in.
The thing is, you have BWXT right here. It says BWXT.
I was actually kind of late because I was wanting to start around 8 o'clock.
Government operations and commercial operations.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to start right around 8 o'clock. Here we go, 138. 138.12.
Right? This is what's fueling our submarines and things like that. So if we
are in another channel. We're on the second floor of the channel, trying to break that 138, this red line right here.
So this is
trying to break it.
This is that nuclear energy investment if you guys would like to. Now again, as I said, this is still a pretty far away before I think this catches a lot of fire. But I still
I'm gonna move. Let me see. I'm gonna move that right here. It's another higher low being formed as well. Another higher low. We got another high or low.
Let me get out of the way. Dip by, dip by, dip by. And you can see dip by, dip by, dip by. So you guys can see how these are still continuing.
We got another high or low.
These are consistent climbing. These are consistent getting its next leg. Okay? So these are all plays that I definitely want to be able to see if these are going to be able to consistently come up, consistently come up.
See what's gonna happen. We're looking for the break of this red line. Since we are in a whole nother channel, but we got to stay above this uptrend line that I got going on right here. We got to stay above this. And actually right now, we just broke it. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And we're looking for the break of this red line right here. This is a great support line too, 137.75. Let me get this out of the way. Back up under support. The bounce off the 20. Make another uptrend line. Right here. Right there. But I'm gonna take this one. Well, I ain't gotta, I'm gonna leave that one right there. Well, I'm gonna take it as far as I can take it. And I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take it right there. All right, cool. Take it right there. We'll stay above this to break that 138.40. That's what we're looking to do. Or 138.40. Looking to break that 138.40. That's what we're looking to do. $138.20. We got, looks like a double top. A small double top right around the 138.20 area. Crack. Like everything V-shaped this morning. Let's see. Boom. That's Microsoft. Facebook. Amazon. AMD. U-shape. U-shape. Google. Apple. All right. See what's going on. Trying to get back above that uptrend line. Trying to get back above that uptrend line. Five. All right. Been live 56 minutes. Appreciate y'all for joining me on this day. I'm gonna move this resistance line a little bit further down. It's a little bit more accurate, which will be right there. Yeah. So we got the rejection of the 138.20. We're up under. All the EMAs are on top of the candle now, so you know exactly what that means. We broke the uptrend line to the downside. So if you've been watching the channel, you should understand what that means now. Okay, now I'm gonna go the other way. And of course, down is always red. That's the downtrend. It's a basic downtrend. I think I'm going to move this out of the way now. EMAs are pointing down. Breaking the resistance. Nothing but red, nothing but selling going on right now. Support line, crack, all the way down to the VWAP. Will we go up under this VWAP? Matter of fact, I'm gonna move this down to here. I'll make that VWAP the support. Yeah. Move this out of the way. That's irrelevant. Coming up to a crucial area right here at this VWAP. Crucial area. If we break that VWAP area, look out. Look down below. Crucial area right here. A lot of selling. We're right at this crucial area of this VWAP. If we break this VWAP, look down below. Wow. A lot of selling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last 5 minutes been some selling going on. Huh? Oh. Just watching. We had a crucial area right here. Crucial area. We had a crucial area. Crucial area.
I'm excited. I'm very, very excited about this whole entire period and see what is going to be coming on up here next. Traders, awesome job so far.
All right, back above the downtrend.
Does anyone have any questions, comments, or concerns? I know probably a lot of people. And also, can I ask you, are you guys loving this right now? Are you guys enjoying being here? Are you guys enjoying again the stocks that I'm going over? Are you guys enjoying?
All right.
That I'm kind of
great day this morning.
So that you guys are all set, ready to rock.
Great day. And it's just starting. It's not over. The morning is just beginning. As we break above that downtrend. As we break above the downtrend. That was a great bounce, bro, off that VWAP. Okay. All right. Appreciate y'all for joining me, man. Appreciate y'all for joining me. Always remember, earn, spend less, and invest. It's 2025. It's time to rock and roll. New Year's resolutions is very, very important. Why, Stock Sniper? Because that always shows a change. That is what? A New Year's resolution is a goal, right? The thing is we can't forget about the goals. That's why it's very important. If you got a New Year's resolution goal, that's the first step to change. What you need to do, write it down. Write it down. Make yourself accountable. That's the reason why most people fail on New Year's resolutions. They don't write them down and they don't take it day by day. Take it day by day. Take it day by day. And it's very important. Yes, every year you should have a New Year's resolution. Every birthday, you should say, analyze, man, I done turned 30 this year. I done turned 40, or whatever the case may be. I need to analyze it. I need to write down some goals. That's all a New Year's resolution is a goal. And it's great to write down goals. I hear a lot of people say, I ain't worried about no New Year's resolution. No, that's negative thinking. New Year's resolutions are good. It's great for you to reflect on the whole year. What did you do in 2024? What did you do in 2023? What did you do in 2022? And how can you make it better? Like I've been saying for 2 months, I already been in 2025. So right around October, November, I started analyzing 2024. Just like those billionaire companies do earnings every quarterly, we need to do that too. Every quarter. Not just financially, but mental too. More mentally than financially. Right? You need to analyze your life, your mentality every 3 months. Just like Tesla, just like Amazon, just like Apple, all the companies that we know, like, and trust, Microsoft, all of those guys, all of those companies, they analyze every 3 months, every quarter, 4 quarters in a year. We are in the beginning of a new quarter. New Year's resolution. What is your future forecast for the 4 quarters are coming in your life? New Year's resolutions are great. The thing is, you got to have your mind together and have a plan of what 2025 is going to be. And then guess what? At the end of 25, start it all over again. It's 4 quarters. We are in the first 2 minutes of the first quarter. The first quarter just started in 2025. The game has just started. So take it day by day, every morning. That's why it's very important to write down your goals. Get your mind straight. Get a good night's rest so you can wake up the next morning and with your mind on your goals. No distractions. No distractions, bro. Distractions and negativity hold you back. Worrying about the wrong thing. Talking about the wrong thing. When it's crunch time, it's time to get busy. 10 toes down. It's the first day of 2025. It's time to get busy. Have a goal. Have your goals down. Do less spending. Spend less. Do less drinking. Do less smoking cigarettes. Do less smoking. Do less going out to eat 3-4 times a week.
Very simple, very easy. All I do at this point is I just
New Year's resolution goals. Stick to them. Take it day by day. We got 365 days. Take it day by day. This is day 1. So I hope y'all got y'all New Year's resolutions down, ready to rock and roll. I hope write them down. Get it in your mind. Think about your New Year's resolution. Think about your goals. That's all the New Year's resolution is a goal of what you want to accomplish. Write them down, bro. Take it from the OG. Write them down. Hold yourself accountable. Sometimes you got to cut off the distractions. Cut off the distractions. And some people ain't gonna like it, right? If you're paying attention to what you need to be paying attention to and not paying attention to what they want you to pay attention to, they'll get upset. But don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep doing what you know what's right to do. And that's the goal of 2025. It's a new day and era right now, 2025. It starts right now. So with that being said, I love and I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all getting something out of these lives that I do. Hope y'all getting something out of this channel. This is the one and only Stock Sniper. Earn, spend less, and invest. 704 Wall Street is my block. Don't get it twisted. 704 Wall Street is my block. With that being said, we're praying for everybody out there in New Orleans. You know what I'm saying? We thank God that nothing happened over there at Trump Towers. You know what I'm saying? Be careful. Pay attention to your circle. Pay attention to what's going on around you at all times. Stay looking at the phone like this. Stop paying attention to the phone all the time and be looking and pay attention to what's going on. Not only in the public, but in your household as well. Because guess what? Just like you got to watch people out there, you got to pay attention to people that is around you too. So with that being said, this is the one and only Stock Sniper. Hope y'all have a great day. I'm out.
Saying, well, what about NITO? NITO announces that it has approval to be able to work with this company. Was approval to obtain this committee